What you got there, Brandon?
Got some fish. Some drum.
I tell you what, smells good in that fryer. Look at
Smelling
that.
good, looking good.
Look over here what he's already done. Yeah. Oh, if y'all could just smell it. That is, tell us about it. Where'd you get it from?
It's some black drum we caught down in Louisiana last weekend.
Where'd you go?
Back to Delacroix.
Okay.
Visited New Orleans, Venice.
Okay.
A lot of other places that I can't pronounce the name. But it was good.
I bet it was. No, y'all had fun. I know Miss Steffi had fun.
Yep.
Yes, I did.
Did you enjoy catching them fish?
Heck yes, that was the most fun I've ever had on a trip.
That was your first time going down there with him, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Pop's been with him. Parker.
There you go.
Yeah, Chris. I forgot Chris had been. Tell us what it's like.
Oh, that's perfect.
There you go.
Is that perfect? Perfectly cooked.
Yeah.
And it doesn't take long. Brandon, how long did you have that in the fryer? 3 minutes max?
Yeah, 3 or 4 minutes.
It doesn't take long to cook fish.
Show him your apron.
New apron, we got him in New Orleans.
I like that apron. So what did you,
I like my gumbo apron.
I love that gumbo apron. Louisiana seafood gumbo. It's got a recipe on it.
Yep.
Crawfish etouffee. Now tell us how you prepared the fish.
Oh, we just bought a local seasoning.
Okay, so you got the seasoning here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And did it from there. Put some hot sauce on it. And then put it in this bowl and shook her up.
Now, we're going to make sandwiches with this, like po' boy sandwiches.
Yeah, we're going to make po' boys.
And Stephanie you made a homemade tartar sauce.
Yeah, we like tartar sauce on our po'
Okay.
boys.
So it's kind of like a remoulade almost.
I mean, it's not that complicated. I don't want store-bought tartar sauce.
I don't either.
We've been making our own at the house. All it is Duke's mayonnaise and dill pickle relish.
If it's something you made for us one time, it was good. Oh, and look what Pop just brought out. So hey to everybody, Pop.
Hello, everybody. That's puppies.
Oh, it's kind of dark. We'll get it over there in the sun. There we go. We were too much in the shade.
How about that?
And y'all, me and Stephanie's already taste tested these, and
Yep.
they are delicious. We hit the seasoning on that just perfect. She's got some potatoes roasted in the oven, and we're gonna have us a good meal.
Hey, we're here for Graham's birthday. That's yesterday. Today's Sunday, the
23rd.
I believe. Yep.
11/22. Happy birthday to Karen.
He's only 30 years old.
Oh, I don't know how that's possible, but
Come on in. We're going to take some fish up.
all right.
See it floating.
Looky there. Y'all see how he's doing that? And y'all saw when he put it in, and this is not edited.
How long
Isn't
has
that
it been?
beautiful?
About 4 minutes.
4 minutes total.
We're going to let those just drain off for a second.
But that was counting the time you were getting ready to put it in. Oh, that is beautiful. I'm hungry just smelling this, y'all. And we put it on a sheet pan with a wire rack so it can drain.
Yeah, and I hope I don't throw them off the pan while I'm on video.
But it won't stick to paper towels, so that's why we did it this way.
Here's what we got.
Oh, we've got more. That's not all, y'all.
Oh, we got 2 little fillets left.
Okay.
We're just going to throw them in this one.
There you go.
Make sure. Yep.
But you could.
Ready?
I'm ready. Looky there. And we've got his oil heated to 360.
Yeah, I like 360.
Yeah. So, but you could, if you're going to use this again, you could just cover it up.
Yep.
And butter you some more fish with it, right?
Oh yeah, I think we're going to take it home.
That's okay. Good deal.
Alrighty.
Oh, we're passing the
Sorry
torch.
about that. We're going to get
We pass the torch here.
the birthday girl on here and Brandon.
Yep.
And there's Stephanie sitting over there relaxing.
Okay, dokie. We're gonna get this done and go eat. We'll show you a picture of our po' boys in a little bit.
Oh yeah, we'll make some pictures of our sandwiches when you put some together. All right, everybody. I hope y'all enjoyed this little short video, and we'll throw in some pictures
Yeah.
of the finished.
Yep.
Let's see you later, everybody.
See you later,
Bye.
alligator.